Sarita, and in today's video I will be showing you guys my Diwali glow up and how I achieved this look. Like, I will not show you the makeup tutorial, but how I cleared out my skin, my hairs, my body, how I cleaned all of them. So without any further introduction, let's quickly get started. So the first main step, this is not a part of this glow up step, but I wanted to include this because this is a very different step which will help you achieve a very clear under eyes, like those dark circles will disappear. And that main step is raw milk therapy. So what is this raw milk therapy? So what you have to do is nothing much. Just two things you need. You just need raw milk, and second thing you just need a cotton balls, cotton pad, or a normal cotton. So what you have to do is take 1 spoon or just a little amount of raw milk, not boiled milk, raw milk, and dip the cotton in that, and then just apply it 3 to 4 times under your eyes. Do this every night before going to bed. You will achieve a very clean under eyes, and it depends on person to person, like how much time will it take, and so you have to follow it every day like a ritual. Then only you might achieve clean under eyes and brightened up under eyes. So I do this every day, and I had so many dark circles under my eyes, but now they have disappeared. And so the first part of a glow up routine is hair. So first we'll talk about hair, and then we will further go on other parts. So firstly I will show you guys how to make a DIY hair oil. So you can obviously go with your regular hair oil which you use every time. But why am I giving you this DIY hair oil? Because I simply love making DIYs and testing out on me. Are they working on me or not? So this is the reason I love making DIYs. So but I am telling you guys again, you can obviously go with this with your normal hair oil or regular hair oil which you use every day, or So this hair oil is one of the very old hair oil which my mom told, and she used to massage it on my scalp. So this hair oil is called curry leaves ka hair oil. I will show you the process in a minute, but let me tell you that you have to apply your hair oil just in the scalp area, like this much of it, and then on length of your hair you have to apply your hair mask. So talking about hair mask, you don't have to apply your hair mask every time you wash your hair. Like suppose I wash my hair every Saturday, Sunday, so it's not compulsory. We don't have to apply it every Saturday and Sunday. Like pre-shampoo hair mask are the name. But if you have some festival coming up, you have some important function coming up, you have to shoot a very important shoot, then only use this hair mask. Don't use it for the waste. It will damage your hair very fast. Like though it's very natural, but ज़्यादा smooth वाला करके भी क्या करना है. So yeah, enough now. And first I'll show you the process of DIY hair oil.
So here I am taking 2 vitamin E capsules and pouring it into my bowl. After that I'll take 6 to 7 curry leaves, and then I'll take coconut oil. The quantity of coconut oil depends upon how long are your hairs or how short are your hairs. And then I'll mix this mixture and keep it on gas to make it a little warmer. And then I will apply it on my scalp, and I would suggest you guys to section up your hairs for better absorption and make the application more easier. And you have to keep this oil in your hairs for about 2 hours, like 2 hours before your hair wash.
So as you have watched the DIY hair oil ka process, now let me show you guys the process of making DIY hair mask, and with that I will also show you some ready-made market hair masks which are the best and in affordable category. So firstly let me tell you 2 hair masks which I suggest you guys to buy and try them. They are mind blowing. So the first hair mask is Wow ka hair mask. I will link all the products in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. I will mention all the names and price and all of that, and the links are not affiliate, whatever. So the second hair mask is cult favorite. It's famous on the whole internet, all over internet, literally. So this hair mask is plum, olive and macadamia hair mask. I am not sure. I think they have avocado hair mask also. I'm not sure, but I suggest olive and macadamia hair mask. So these are the two very nice, natural, affordable hair mask which I suggest you guys. And now moving on to DIY hair mask. So in this also I have two options for you guys. So the first option I have not tried in this video, like I have tried it previously. So a warning before moving into the DIY hair mask. The warning is that this hair mask process is too messy. I know it's too messy. Like while washing your hair, it's a big task for you guys to wash it. But it will clean. It's not even niklega hi nahi. I have done it and it is gone. And the first hair mask is take 1 cup of oats, not roasted, a raw kacha roast, plus 4 tablespoons of honey. Mix them both and apply it on your length of your hair and keep it for half an hour and rinse with a shampoo followed by a conditioner. So second hair mask is banana hair mask. So banana hair mask ka process will be shown to you guys.
So here I'm taking 1 small banana and 1 small spoon of honey, and or you can take 1.5 spoon of honey maybe, and then I'll pour 2 tablespoons of curd and a little water to mix the paste and make the paste more smoother. And I will apply my mask on length of my hairs. I will apply this hair mask in combing motion, and I don't miss a single strand. This hair mask is really effective. Banana hair mask banana makes your hair very smoother, takes out all the frizziness and dryness out of your hair, and honey is known for making your hairs more shinier.
So as I have applied, my hair mask and all of that. So I thought I will do my body care also. So I have seen many of the videos, and then in there, you all shave your body. So basically, I don't shave my body. I just shave my underarms, which I'm not going to show you guys. So if you shave your body, you can obviously go forward with it. But I don't shave. I scrub my body, and so it's basically alternative for your shaving. But scrubbing will not remove your facial hair. For that you need to do shaving or waxing only. But to achieve a smooth, clean, soft skin, you can do shaving or body scrub. But basically I scrub my whole body, and I would highly recommend you guys shaving or scrubbing your body, especially in this glow up transformation, because that's the main part of your body which is gonna expose, and it should look clean and squeaky clean and smooth. So talking about scrubbing, I scrub my body once in 2 weeks or twice in a month. It's not fixed, but I don't use alternative days or once in a day. I just once in a week, sorry. And I usually do it in once in a week, because girls like me, majorly teenagers, don't shave their body, right? They just shave or wax their underarms. And if you guys are doing, teenage girls, stop doing that. It is not good for your skin. You know, your body skin is just developing, so please don't do that. Stop there only. And all the scrubbing part of the body will be shown a kind of a demo, and how I scrub my body, what product I use, how I scrub, and all of that. So yeah.
So for my shower gel, I'll use Plum Body Lovin' Fill and So Rose shower gel, and I'll use my normal loofah and then make some foam and then apply on my body. So apply your shower gel very gently. In this video I have actually fast forwarded, so you might see that I am rubbing it vigorously, but it's not like that. I am doing it gently. So for my scrub, I'll be using Plum Body Lovin' Coffee Vicchino Body Scrub, and I will apply it on my hands. I'll scrub it, and this process will also be in a gentle, but actually I have fast forwarded it, so you will see me like vigorously rubbing it.
Alright, after doing your body, I like to do my skincare stuff. So firstly, I will wash my face and do the whole skincare. And I would suggest you guys, if you don't want to do face mask wala part, or you have to do very detailed glow up video, please comment in the description box. I will try my best to do that. And so for the face mask, I have two DIY options and two options from the market. So firstly, I'll suggest you the market wale, and then I will show you guys the DIYs. So the market wale jo hai, I have two. So the first one is Mamaearth ka C3 face mask and the Momsco ka natural face mask. So you will say ki please suggest one, like we are confused. So guys, it's really important to see your skin type, your skin concerns, your budget, right? अगर मैं suggest करूँ तो I will suggest you guys to see them personally, read all of the cautions and all of the details of the product. And the difference between both of these are the Mamaearth has some chemicals, and the Mamaearth one, the Momsco one is fully safe. And if your skin is too young, please go with DIY mask, or if you want a market mask, I will suggest the Momsco one. And on top of that, there are a lot great face masks. You can search it on YouTube, you can search in Amazon, Nykaa, you will get some great options. And now let's move on to our DIY face mask. So the first one is the easiest face mask ever I have created, and you guys also know that. But I thought why not to include a very easiest one and a very detailed face mask. So the easiest one is a Multani Mitti and the rose water. So take 1 spoon of Multani Mitti and rose water. Rose water will be rose water का quantity depends upon the paste. तो आपको जो पेस्ट होगा बहुत रनी होना चाहिए, लाइक पानी की तरह रनी नहीं, सेमी पेस्ट होता है ना, उसकी तरह. एंड द सेकंड फेस मास्क इज द उपटन. सो दिवाली है एंड उपटन ना बन सके किसी के घर में, ऐसा इम्पॉसिबल है. दिवाली एंड उपटन आर द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन एवर. तो उपटन का प्रोसेस भी मैंने बताया है एंड एप्लीकेशन भी बताया है. सो लेट्स सी दैट फर्स्ट. एंड देन छोटी मोटी चीजें बाकी है दैट विल कवर इट अप. तो मुझे एक है मतलब फेस मास्क बताना था which is expensive, a lot expensive for a face mask. वो है GlamGlow का face mask. And if your skin is really matured, like maybe 23 up, you can use this GlamGlow face mask and you will be impressed with that. And I will also link the GlamGlow का face mask का link. So please don't forget to check. और guys अब please description box check करिए, मैं उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताती हूँ जो मैंने वीडियो में नहीं बताई हो. तो
So for making DIY face pack, I'll use 1 spoon of besan and then half a spoon of sandalwood powder, and then mix the dry ingredients first, and then pour 1/4 spoon of honey in it, and then mix it again, and then I will add pinch of haldi in it, and then I'll add maybe 1 or 1.5 spoon of dahi and a little bit water in it, and then make a fine paste and then apply it on my face. I'll keep this pack on about 20 minutes for the best results.
ये जो स्टेप है ये है ना, बहुत लोग everyone doesn't cover in glow up videos, and this is the main issue with almost everyone faces, and this is about teeth. So if your teeth has some yellow residue on your teeth, and if you have some discolorations, or you simply want to brighten it up for your great pictures for Diwali, so this DIY teeth cleaner is जो paste, it's actually a paste, जो paste मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ, that is super easy, and you can do it anytime you wish to. So let's give our teeth also a little makeover, small makeover. So this paste is called turmeric paste. So let's see the demo, application, quantity, for how much minute you have to do it. So this ये जो paste है उसे आपको 1 minute तक ही करना है, and don't put much turmeric, नहीं तो आपका जो teeth है ना वो थोड़ा बहुत stain हो सकता है. Just take a pinch, literally a pinch of turmeric. Don't do it much. So yeah, this ये step मुझे include करना ही था, because this is the thing which I was facing.
So firstly I'll take 1/3 या उससे भी कम हल्दी, and then half spoon of coconut oil. तो यहाँ पे मुझसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा coconut oil हो गया था, तो don't take it much. And then I'll brush my teeth like normally we do, and I'll brush my teeth for about 1 minute, and then rinse it off with cold water.
Right, so we have come to almost end of the video, and the last step is our nails. I got my nail extensions, so yeah. So I don't keep doing my nail extensions. I did it in my, I think, yeah, I did this in my summer vacations, and you can obviously reuse your nail extensions with nail glue. And for example, if मैंने ये एक बार मेरे summer vacations में लगा दिया and they have निकल गए हैं, you can always reuse them. So when I reuse, I have some very important shoot, I have to make these videos जिसमें nails लगाना ज़रूरी है जिससे लोग अच्छा आए. If I have some shadi to attend and my own birthday party, then I reuse my nails. I don't keep sticking them, क्योंकि जो nail bed होता है वो जल्दी weak हो जाएगा. So instead of doing your nail extensions again and again, you can reuse these.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside
So this is how my nails look like. I thought to give the close-up shoot again. Guys, my Diwali glow up transformation is done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to hear from me again, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it, and if you want to try this, and if you tried this DIYs, don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section so that I get to know that you are trying this and you are interested in my videos. So yeah, bye.